Hi guys, this is Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. It means so much to me when you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Please do that. It'll mean so much to me. And for that flawless makeup, you need a flawless base. To know how I achieved this one, you have to keep on watching the video. So this is my bare skin. I haven't applied anything. I've just cleansed it with my normal face wash. Now I'm toning it. This is a toner which my mother made at home and I'm spraying it all over my face and I instantly felt so refreshing. You can also massage the toner into your skin and you can massage it in upward direction. The second step is moisturizing. Here I'm using a Cetaphil moisturizer which is perfect for acne prone skin, and again I'm moisturizing it in an upward direction and we're done. So after CTM comes primer. I'm using Krylon's primer here, taking a pump and warming the product between my fingers, and I'm just applying it where I feel my pores are open. So primer basically blurs out your skin and gives your skin the smoothness so that the makeup can glide on your skin. Yes. Now this is the star product of the video. This is MAC's concealer palette. First we are correcting with the palette. Now correction is basically you have to color correct the darkness, the pigmentation or the acne scars that you have on your skin. Here I am using an orange corrector and I am using my fingers to apply this corrector, and I'm also blending with my fingers. We're done with correction. Now I'm taking the concealer from the same palette and I'm going over the corrector to balance out my skin, and you see how instantly that just brightens up. Now with PAC's beauty blender I'm going to blend everything in. Again, you don't have to drag the product on your skin, you just have to press it gently into your skin. After the correction and concealing, here I'm taking MAC's foundation and I'm applying it on my face with my fingers, and with the same beauty blender I'm going to blend everything in. Again, I'm not dragging the product, I'm just pressing it into my skin, and you see how glowy my skin looks now. Now with the other side of the blender I'm going to blend behind the nose and under my eyes so that everything looks even. Now I'm going to blend the other side of my face as well. Now for contouring, you can also use MAC's palette, but here I'm using PAC's contour stick. So contouring basically gives you a chiseled face and instantly your face looks slim, gives you that perfect jawline. So I'm contouring my nose, my cheeks and my forehead as well because I have a huge one. Now I'm going to blend all of this with an angular brush. So it's very easy to blend with this kind of a brush. I'm just contouring my nose. And then I'm going to contour my cheeks as well. So here we want our face to look uplifted. So we're going to contour upwards, and towards the jawline we're going to contour it downwards. I'm doing the same with the second half of the face as well. We're done with the contouring. Now to set all the cream products in, I'm going to use Krylon's loose powder and I'm going to set my concealer with that. Just putting that powder under my eyes and leave it for good 5 minutes. Till that time we can do our brows. I'm using Europe Girls eyebrow definer. I'm taking the dark brown shade in it and I'm going to fill in my brows. Then with the other side of the brush, there's a spoolie and I'm going to brush out the brows. It's time to dust off the powder. Here I'm using a powder brush and I'm dusting off the excess powder. My strokes here are very soft so that the product that you've applied doesn't move from its place, and with the same brush I'm applying it all over my face. Yeah, that's it. Now with MAC's Fix Plus, I'm going to fix all that makeup and I'm going to spray that and let it sit, and then with the same beauty blender I'm going to blend everything out. I'm using this blush and putting it on the apples of my cheek. This is a very nice peachy shade that I'm using here. You have to apply the blush on the apples of the cheeks, and you can also apply some on the tip of your nose. It just looks cute. This is my favorite step and my favorite product. This is Anastasia Snowflake Highlighter and I'm totally obsessed with this product. You see how blinding this highlighter is. This is crazy. You just have to apply it on the cheekbones, nose bridge, cupid's bow, and we are done. I'm completing the rest of the makeup and I'll be back. So here's the final look. I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I've mentioned all the products in the description box below. You can have a look. And if you want to ask me anything, you can ask me on my Instagram handle, that is Anushka_Sethi. Or you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to help you out in any way possible. Till then, stay safe. Bye.